Here's the Joby Handypod, which I reviewed in a previous video, and I was comparing this to the Manfrotto Pixi in the video. I didn't have the Pixi. I just was looking at other videos online, and I was saying the reason why I got the Joby over the Manfrotto because of some advantages. Well, I had no idea that Manfrotto made an updated version of their Pixi. This is the Pixi Plus. And as you can see, the Pixi Plus takes nearly all of the features of the Handypod. So the Joby updated Manfrotto's Pixi, and then it looks like Manfrotto countered Joby and came out like stole their idea. Isn't that funny? And it's I cannot tell the difference between these two just by feeling it. There's slight differences, so I'm going to talk about the slight differences, but they're the same product. If you're looking for one of these and one of them is cheaper than the other, just get the cheaper one because they're exactly the same. But here are some of the differences that I've noticed. The Joby has a little hole here for maybe a lanyard or something, and the Manfrotto doesn't. Yeah, that's it. If you like red, get the Joby. If you like black, get the Manfrotto. They both open out the same. They feel like they're the same strength, durability, features. The bottom is the same. They got a little hex wrench there to tighten it up. Legs feel the same. There's grippy material on all three legs. The grippiness feels the same. In my review of the Joby, I said this mount here can go 90. The Pixi Plus, 90. Same exact thing. Their ball mounts have some lines here to help the grippiness and lock it down. Exactly the same. So I don't know what's going on with Manfrotto and Joby. They're fighting for some segment of the market by making the exact same product. They're making the exact same product. There. Put that on. Here's what it looks like when I have this is the Canon GX7 Mark II. Yep. This is the Manfrotto. It has the hand indentation, so it can perfectly match your grip. I wished that this was magnetized. The ending was magnetized, so it would snap together. But neither of them are. They're both the same. All right, there you go. Well, short video, but I just wanted to show that I was wrong when I thought Joby was the better product, and Manfrotto just came out with the exact same thing. There you go.